Thank you, Yalagi, for this recognition. We highly appreciated it.
Hi, I'm Alexander Macalinaw. I'm the chairman and co-founder of United Triathletes, also known as Unitri. I come across the story of Nami in Anjalila Foundation, and we decided to take action and be part of her medical journey, where we turned competition to compassion by redirecting the registration fee as a donation to support Nami's cause. We united our community. The recognition as fundraiser of the month is truly humbling and unexpected. It reinforces the power of collective action and impact of kindness. Unitri will live and embody its tagline: one spirit, one team, one win. We believe that every act of giving, no matter how small, will contribute to a brighter and kinder world for all.